The new generation of light energy-saving and environmentally friendly fish collecting lamp is one of the important parts of the fishing boat equipment. 110-degree directional sea surface spotlights. It also plays a positive role in improving the crew's working environment and avoiding damage caused by high-power metal halide lamps. Integrated coat-forged aluminum shells sturdy and durable. Active heat dissipation technology. All accessories are selected with the utmost care. The scientific core technology of customized fishing lure spectrum attracts specific fish groups and reduces the manual labor of sorting the catch in the later stage. Let fish collectors improve fishing efficiency by more than 30% and have less than 3% brightness degradation throughout the year, and has a brightness attenuation of less than 3% throughout the year. LP66 protection level is safe and reliable. Multiple power supplies available.